Welcome to this update for Universal. First, let's check out the Studio Brass Band. Alright, let's get to the Mardi Gras section of this video. That's what you're waiting for, right? Here is the statue that is in the same spot every year with the man who is blowing so hard his eyes are bulging. Oh, well, he's waving at me. Say hi. This man was here last year, too. Or woman, you know, it's covered. Actually, I tried to learn how to play the trombone once. And then I kind of stopped and said, why the trombone? I have no idea why, and didn't really pursue it. Hey everybody, looks like a thumbnail right here. Here's a nice little bench to sit and check out the French Quarter, figure out what you might want to eat and drink. And let them eat cake. What kind of cake? King cake? We'll be checking out some of that once the French Quarter opens in a couple of hours. This looks like a very complicated instrument. I have no interest in ever playing. I mean, yes, I know it's an accordion. I'm not saying, I don't know what this is. I'm just saying it's complicated. It looks like it's very difficult to play. And the famous jester hats here in Gramercy Park. Just a reminder, this is no longer a smoking area. The little tables here for the tastings and just in general eating have little hooks here for bags. While you're walking through the French Quarter, look up. There's some decorations in the trees too. Here's a banjo, which is a very strange instrument. It's a guitar and a drum at the same time. I'm sorry, I just don't get it. And of course the King and Queen. And you could sit here with the King and Queen, chill with them. Here's one of the premium beads. I'll show you those in a moment. Who else? I will show you those in a moment. Once again, the extended queue for Transformers The Ride 3D has been taken over by a rather large bar. They do this also for Halloween Horror Nights. New this year is the tasting lanyard. There is one for general guests and one that is pass holder exclusive. I will put some of the information on the screen below, since it's not on the screen here, but it has been officially released. Over here by Central Park, this is one of the places where you can buy the frozen specialty drink, non-alcoholic. You get wild berry, which I've had before, green coconut, I'm not really a huge coconut fan, and lemonade, or all three. Get it? Because it's Mardi Gras colors. I guess I'll be brave and try all three. And here it is, all three flavors. So I've tried the green layer, which is the coconut, lemonade, and I've already tried the berry before, so it's good. I don't like coconut, but the green layer, the coconut, is not too coconutty, if that makes sense. So it's a nice mixture. I'm gonna try mixing the berry and lemonade since it's still too late for the coconut. See how that is. Unfortunately, there are no discounts for annual pass holders because they're all located in what is considered a cart. Doesn't look like a cart to me, but those are the rules. Disney is just as bad, if not worse, about that. So all three, a mix of all three is pretty good. I don't know for certain, but I'm guessing it's from concentrate. It tastes kind of like it is. But if you don't mind that, it's pretty good. Over here we have gator bites and crab etouffee. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. Here we have some specialty drinks and beer, of course. These are the alcoholic frozen drinks. The Po' Boys. And returning again is Twisted Taters. If you don't know what a twisted tater is, that's what it is. I've had them before. They're pretty good. It's sort of the cross between potato chips and fries, I guess. And then over here towards Race to New York, we have jambalaya, hope that's correct, red beans and rice. Of course, what do I want? The thing that has the longest line. Béarnaise and king cake. I know I said king cake correctly. Although king cake isn't new, I believe it's new to this year's Mardi Gras. And it's pretty good. It's actually quite good. Hopefully I'm saying this right. I'm going to now try their beignets, which I have tried once before on property, but not in the French Quarter. Alright, well, they're pretty good. You can get some chocolate dipping sauce or strawberry. I think there's one other option. I obviously did not because I forgot about it. They're a little bit dry without it. And the price is a bit steep, but they're quite good. All the characters in one spot. Guess what these guys have? That's right, coins. Lots and lots of coins. Oh, and that's an easy way to get it. Quick!
Heads or heads?
Heads. 2019.
You can keep it.
Happy Mardi Gras.
Thank you. It's like a 3-leaf clover. And over here at the Universal Studio Store, if you don't want to catch the free beads, which are lesser quality, you can spend $5. This is got some weight to it, and get some nicer beads. And you'll pass discount supply. Some prettier beads. This is a cool little setup here. These are $10 for a shotgun. $10 for a shot glass. And this, in case you come to Mardi Gras, and it's a little colder than you expected because you thought it was Florida and it's always hot, $45 for this. Also new to this year's Mardi Gras is the mimosa bar and wine too. If you're like me and thought there's only one type of mimosa, well, you're Waronga. Apparently there's many variations of it. Normally this space is for the VIP program, but for Mardi Gras, some of it is available to anybody who wants to order. And speaking of ordering, you can order through this window. You don't even have to go inside. But if you go inside, you can see the examples, and it's probably a better idea. There's an indoor seating area. We're looking to Cafe La Bamba. That's a cool image over there. And they have frozen drinks here too. But if you'd like, you can sit outside, drink your mimosa, and look at penguins. There is a fan out here, but it doesn't shoot water. It could, but it doesn't. And there's even more seating out here next to the bird that used to be, I believe, the creature from the Black Lagoon. And right when you walk in, there's something new for Mardi Gras this year is the Bayou Boil. You get the reservations right here by the Universal Studio Store. So here is some information about the new Bayou Boil. Bayou, I think it's Bayou. You get some food. I'll show you where it is in a little bit. An exclusive area for watching the parade. And it's adults are $49.99 and $29.99 for children. And also, according to the vlog, it's $59.99, $39.99 plus tax. But for Premier, Preferred, and Power Pass holders get a 20% discount, so not bad. This is the Pantages Theater, and if you buy the Bayou Boil package, this is the exclusive viewing area. This is great because you get to see the parade come out and then go back in and get plenty of beads. This is really the best area to watch the parade over here. So it's a pretty good package, pretty good deal. First time they're offering it this year. When you buy the Bayou Boil, this is the area in Battery Park where you get your food. Sit and have a nice view of the park. During Mardi Gras, this is no longer the smoking area. This should resume, I'm guessing, once Mardi Gras has completed, but I will let you know when I find out for sure. Over near Kids Zone is a How to Train Your Dragon. It's a bit like a photo booth, but it's actually video with chroma key. It's interesting. It's kind of hard to show you, but it is quite large. And you go in and they insert you into the trailer for the movie. Put your face in the place of one of the characters, even though you're not a cartoon, but still pretty cool. I'm gonna try to find out how long it's here for, but I think it's at least 1 week, maybe not much longer than that, maybe 2 weeks. I'll put it on the screen when I find out for sure. But again, it's right here in front of Animal Actors and near Kids Zone. I was hoping to show you the new Trolls characters. They come out in this area, I believe, but they don't seem to be out today, and this is my last day off for almost 2 weeks, so maybe next time. Sorry. On Mardi Gras nights when there's a concert, there is no cinematic celebration. Mardi Gras does not stop when you leave the gates of Universal Studios. There's one more thing to check out here in Voodoo Donut. Well, I was going to show you the new Mardi Gras donut for this year's Mardi Gras, but it is out of stock and they're not sure when it's going to come back in, so I can show you that I did have one before on the opening night of Mardi Gras. It's quite good. It's cream filled. It's a lot of cream, but it's very good. Alright, over to Islands of Adventure, and I have sort of an announcement. I'm no longer going to be speaking about whatever project this is. I can show you that there are walls up for something here in Jurassic Park. I have no idea what it is. I have no inside information, outside information. There are a lot of other vlogs that speculate about this project. Midway Mayhem is one of them. I can show you that they added a little more theming. It doesn't really reveal anything about the project they're working on here. It's just something nice to look at instead of just a gray wall. That's all. Again, I have no information about what this project is. Just, there are walls here, that's all. If you try to climb over these walls to look at what's behind it, it's protected by a T-Rex, so be careful. Crowd levels are pretty high here today. I'd say maybe a 6, possible 7 out of 10. Quite a bit of... It's another holiday weekend. And if you're not aware, the Jurassic Park River Adventure has reopened after its annual maintenance. Again, this is something that every single theme park does for all their attractions. And now there's another attraction which is suspended for routine maintenance. Over here in Toon Lagoon, Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls is closed for seasonal maintenance until February 23rd. It's right there on the app, so this is not proprietary information. It's just if you're coming to the park between now and the 22nd, don't plan on going to this attraction, just a heads up. Again, nothing wrong with the attraction, it's just annual maintenance. Also in Toon Lagoon, Popeye and Bluto's bilge rat barges will be closed from the 25th of February to the 15th of March. Again, just regular annual maintenance. Here in Jurassic Park by Jurassic Outfitters, actually we're by the restrooms for Jurassic Outfitters, you'll now find fuel rods. GoPucks have gone, and we now have fuel rods here just like that other park. But just so you know, when you buy one of these for $30, when you want to swap one with a charged one, it's a $3 charge to do that. Okay. And we paused for some cold butterbeer because, I don't know, just felt like having some. It's delicious. Bit pricey, but delicious. Over here in Port of Entry, Poe is out for meet and greets and photos. Makes you wonder if Poe has gone over to Universal Studios and tried the Po' Boy shrimp. I'm like, why wouldn't he? It's a Po' Boy, right? Random stop over here in the gift cart. You know Homer Simpson will never stick his foot in his mouth. But for $24.95, you can do it for him. Go on a water ride and get a little too wet. For $20, you can have a towel that's enough because it's Duff. I believe these are the new souvenir cups, new design. Here for $16. That is a look at Mardi Gras 2019 here at Universal Orlando Resort. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. And now how about a little bit more of that music?